To know whether you need an MPPT controller in the solar panel energy storage system, you must know this. I know ESS energy storage systems are so popular in some areas. They core components including solar panels and the lithium batteries. But most people will forget one important component which called the MPPT controller. So whether you need or not, you have to know this. I think most people will choose to use the solar panels to connect the lithium battery directly without MPPT controller. Two reasons, I think. The first one is they want to save the costs, and the second one, they do not know what the importance of the MPPT controller. So in this video, I want to show you more details about the whole system. Make your ESS energy storage system more safer. So watch carefully. This is the ES lithium pure battery pack I made. Its nominal voltage is 24 volts. Its full voltage is 29.2 volts. It's also about the BMS. Also for this one, 8S lithium pure battery, the working current is 100 ampere. But in internal of this BMS, the withstand voltage is 35 volts for ES. Okay, so ES and also for this one, this two thing is in series connection, which means two together can withstand like 29.2 plus 35 equals to 64 volts. So that means here's the basic important rule. Once you want to use the solar panels to connect the lithium battery directly, you have to make sure the open circuit voltage of the solar panels, the total voltage, must less than the lithium battery plus the BMS withstand voltage, just like now. So let's check out these solar panels open circuit voltage now. Now you can see we are checking the total voltage of the solar panels. This refers to the open circuit voltage of the solar panels, 89.5, nearly 90 volts. And now we know that the solar panel's open circuit voltage is nearly 90 volts, the output, and the lithium battery and the BMS, this together is nearly 60 volts. So large compared with these two, right? It seems like we can't connect it directly, but I still want to have a try. Let's do it. Okay, now let's use the clamp meter to check the real tank current. Let's see. So it's nearly 2 ampere. Okay, because nowadays you can look at the weather, it's cloudy days, going to rain, right? So the working current not too large. See, it can work normally. Why? The secret is I changed this BMS version type because this BMS can withstand the voltage nearly 100 volts plus the 20 nearly 30 volts together is 130 voltage. 130 much larger than this one, 90, right? So they can work normally. So now here we have a conclusion. If you want to make the solar panel system to connect the lithium battery directly without MPPT controller, you have to make sure that first, the output of the solar panels, the open circuit voltage of the solar panels must less than the voltage of the BMS withstand voltage and the lithium battery voltage. Otherwise, if you can't make sure the total voltage of the solar panels open circuit less than the BMS and the lithium battery, at this time you need an MPPT controller. The true meaning of MPPT controller is the first one is like a DC to DC module, which means to reduce the open circuit voltage to be suitable for the BMS and the lithium battery. And second, the MPPT controller is designed for improved efficiency and safety of the solar energy conversion into electricity. Alright guys, I'm Will. What do you want to know next? Leave your comments. I will share with you in next videos.